And yeah, 25 feet deep. Little bitty guy. Make him look big. Look at him right there. He's big. There he is. Stay down, boy. Don't jump. Yeah. Man, these crappie are little today. Yeah, he's little. Dropped it down there to 30 feet. That didn't take long to get a bite. Might be a little bit bigger. They've been small, real small today. Way down there. "33 feet. Hey, this might be bigger than the other ones. Just might be. Well, when I say bigger, still small one. Yeah, once I figured out they were down there 33. That big minnow's caught 3 fish. I bet he's dead this time. Well, that's an ugly looking crappie. Ugly, ugly. What do we got? What do we got? Something was down there. Long ways down there. I thought so. It didn't feel like no crappie. Darn yellow bass stealing my minnows. There we got something. Not as big as that one we just lost. Oh yeah, a little better. Crappie time.